Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a rice with mussels in my rice cooker. You will need cooking oil, garlic, onion and tomato. Press the cook button. 1.5 cups of rice. Mix a little bit. I'm gonna be adding salt, black pepper to taste, and the rice. Don't forget to add color. I have this yellow coloring. Mix pretty well. I'm gonna be adding the water. Coriander. And mussels. And more coriander leaves. Cover and let it cook. Ta-da! Done! Look, my rice is already cooked and smells so good. Now let's serve. And put on the top the mussels and a coriander leaf in the middle. This is the final result. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you are new and follow me on my social media. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes, but she has own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.